What's up guys, Daniel Byer. Today I want to cover my 4x4 method for speed solving, and hopefully this will help you see how you can explore different methods and opportunities to better and more efficiently solve the cube. So the first thing is I see I can build this other half bar with a wide R, and then I'm going to do a triple R wide U prime, and I like to also notice that this edge pair, when I did my wide U prime, insert it, so I see that I can do a slice R prime to build the other half bar U R2 wide, then a wide U prime. I do my wide R U R2, and then I do a triple U and rotate through. See that I can build this edge pair, and I'm looking for 1, 2, 3. I noticed that. I'm gonna actually, because both were actually paired on the opposite of each other on the second block, I was able to do a wide U trigger, kick it out, and then pair it. Also wound up actually getting this pair built as well. So just finish up with U prime M, and then the B, finishing that. It also attached this white green edge pair. So now all I have to do is I see that I have 2 more edge pairs I want to get. I see I can build this edge pair. I'm going to connect it even though it's not actually oriented, and I just want to start scanning for the final edge pair. So I'm here, I insert this pair, and now my edge pairing, I've done my first block, second block, so all the edge pairings done. Now it's important to do the next 2 centers after that. So I got my red, I saw I had a half bar, got that vertical, and then built the other half bar. The next thing is that I'm going to build this blue and then drop it down to then the next thing that I look for is I see I can solve this pair with an R, and I see that after the R this piece is going to drop down. If I swing clockwise with a U, that's gonna, and then do my R prime, it's going to build the second pair. So then it's kind of looking at where are the other pieces going to be. And so the next thing that I see is I'm going to go R, U, and then R prime, building my first 2 pairs. So with 3 moves after next 2 centers, I've built 2 pair. I want to build my third pair, which I'm going to do the case of I want to do the M or U prime, then M, U prime, M prime, U prime, R, U2, R, which will store my third pair here, which gives me 2 unsolved pair and a third unsolved pair at the DB. So this was a false bar. It looks good, but if you look, it's actually bad. So I have 3 solved pair and a false bar, plus a set of mirrored bow ties. So I have 1 good, 1 bad, 1 good, 1 bad. So I have an even distribution for EO, because normally we look at the last 6 edges, but really we're looking at the 4 counting the false bar, which is right there. So good, bad, even distribution. But because this is mirrored, that inverts that. So the next thing is that I want to go ahead and do a U2 M prime, U2 M prime, excuse me, U2 M prime rather, clarifying that. So now I have my 1 pair here. The other thing is that I want to get my other pair to the on the L slice, because this is a red white and that's red white, so they line up. So I'm going to do wide L, U2, slice L, U2, wide L prime, and then slice L2, U2, slice L2, finishing up edge pairing. And so now I have 2 good edges, 2 bad edges, 2 more bad edges. I know that blue and green are opposite, so I want to do my Nicholas to get, that was terrible. I want to do my Nicholas to get the rest of the cube solved.